Urinary.
Bladder.
The bladder.
Can you do that again?
Yep. Kidneys, ureters, bladder.
That's the only one that you'll use for those.
Is that in your
My
model?
phone in your way. I mean, my hand and stuff in your way.
Okay, what do we have?
So I'm just going to do this one for the pelvic metal.
Hmm?
Just the kidneys, ureters, and bladder. That's the only thing I'll use this for.
Mm-hmm.
So I got the bladder sticker in the middle of it. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's probably better for, will be better for urinary bladder.
That for me?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, you mean even not even using this one?
I'm just trying to figure it out. What would you use to use this one? You know, what
Me?
that's for? What type of questions we can ask there? You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
kidneys, ureters, bladder.
I stopped
I
it.
guess you could even try.
You don't pause yours?
And the
I don't
Ruge.
want to hear all that.
Is that on the list?
Yeah.
Jeez, I don't even have
But you can do it on this too.
You don't have a pause button?
So I'll just show them on both.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, Galaxy 3.
So the trigone of the bladder, trigone, triangle, looks like a triangle, is here.
And show.
Yeah.
everybody, please.
So the triangle shaped, and then the rugae are the folds, just like in the stomach.
Just if you just turn this way and then a little bit that way.
I just like,
Yeah, maybe.
Well, don't go that far because we are recording.
Well, yeah, we're zooming the camera, guys.
We already using it.
I don't like all this technology crap. All right. The large kidney model. All right. The capsule is the outside. So capsule. Cortex. The renal columns are
Columns in between,
yeah.
okay, in between pyramids.
Those red things?
Well, the red are the arteries. The column is just the space in between the pyramids. This is a renal pyramid, renal column, renal pyramid, renal column. It's like
The little polka dotted brown thing.
Like those dark triangles are pyramids. What's in between those triangles is actually column, okay?
Well, how she was running her finger, it looked like you were seeing the red thing.
Oh.
But
Yeah.
Make
We
sure,
know.
guys, you look into a textbook before you actually approach the model, okay?
and then the medulla is like the space from here, so where the papilla is, to here. So this is the medulla. It includes the cortex and the pyramid.
Medulla, what type of medulla?
Well,
Medullary cortical layer you talking about?
well, because I don't ever understand the difference of it. This is a renal pyramid to me.
Mhm.
The renal medulla is also this. So is one the shape and one is the inside of it?
Renal medulla, where's that renal medulla you got?
It just says medulla.
Medulla at the medullary layer. This is medullary layer. This is medullary layer, including pyramids.
So is that taggable then?
See this up to here. This is a cortex.
Right.
Okay.
So capsule, cortex,
rest.
and then medulla.
Rest. It's a medulla.
So I'm saying for tagging purposes, though, if I put something,
Oh, with the medulla.
they're
medulla.
not gonna know.
Yeah, it's hard to place
So that won't be
unless you
tagged.
specifically
Name this layer.
Yeah, name this layer and then number it.
Okay. So I guess that's how it would be tagged,
Mhm.
but
Yeah, because it's a layer.
Okay.
how would it be
structural layer.
tagged?
so the cortex is here, and then from here on.
It's the medulla.
So if it says name the layer, then it's the medulla, because anything is going to be.
The medulla in there.
The border in between cortex and medulla is actually base of pyramids. Did you get that?
Yeah.
All right, renal pelvis is this area. Pelvis.
Close to the ureter. Okay.
The
Can you do that
minor.
one more time?
Yep, right here. It's renal pelvis.
Okay.
The minor calyx are coming. It goes the pyramid, then the papilla, and then it's minor, the opening. and then it opens into the major. Yeah, it's like, yeah, this one. So minor, major.
Okay.
It's just the area. So minor.
Now, two minors, the joint point
Major.
of the two minors makes it major, that's
So
it.
it's like these two, minor,
Okay.
minor, major.
Minor, minor,
Minor,
go lower,
two.
that's a
And where it
major.
opens
Go
into-
lower,
The minor,
that's a
minor,
renal,
major, right? Okay.
pelvis.
Yep.
Do it with your hand, I can see it.
There's no
That's why I
like
did that.
border or structural
And then ureter. It's here.
borders of that. Approximate area.
I know that.
All right, again, the bladder. So we did it on here as well. The trigone is here, the triangle shape. Do you want the internal and external urethral sphincters?
No.
I'm sorry, could you show the triangle
Yep.
shape again?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And then the rugae again are the folds.
Show it to us, please.
Trigone, the triangle, rugae are the folds inside.
Where's the triangle?
Okay.
Okay.
Bowman capsule. The glomerulus is inside. The parietal and visceral layers, no, right? Okay. So this is afferent arterial and efferent arterial.
Afferent arterial should be larger in size. Efferent should be smaller, and that's what I want them to look at and
You said
know.
that.
Now,
To me,
which one?
the A is, it's affecting, so it's going in.
Mhm.
The E is exiting.
Mhm. But if you look at internal, those internal openings, this is wider, this is...
So you're saying this is the afferent?
Yeah, I think this is a afferent, but I'm sure you're probably right, because, those models comes with...
It looks like she'll be
Okay,
right
good.
because since it's larger, that one is larger.
Okay, could you
And
show-
I
it's
don't care
coming
which
in.
one is which,
Okay, could,
Yeah.
so,
Okay,
so could you do that
just do
again?
the opposite. This is efferent then,
that's why I don't like models.
and afferent.
Okay.
The
Oh,
the
no,
bottom
you
line,
changed
the
efferent
bottom
is
line, guys, bottom line.
Excuse
The
me?
artery which
asking
brings
which
blood
one is
to the
E, is what
nephron
he's saying.
should be larger in the
But should it
artery
be in the
which
front or
takes
the back?
away smaller in diameter.
Because how she did it, I don't know, how she did it at first
Let me
seemed
see
right.
that.
What you just said didn't look right.
Yeah, let's follow Letitia, okay? This is larger, if you compare this size to this size,
Yeah, that's bigger.
yeah, this is larger, this is smaller.
that's
But if you look
afferent.
inside, this is smaller inside, diameter,
Oh.
smaller than compared to this one. You know what I'm saying? So it's controversial if you
Yeah.
ask me.
But
This
they
model
probably
not
did it
made
bigger like the
perfectly.
So you're
tube
saying
bigger.
afferent.
Afferent,
Okay.
efferent.
Okay.
So it's the opposite of what you just said.
Opposite
Okay.
It
what
was how
I,
she said it
The first,
first.
yeah, the
Opposite
first
what,
one. So
you know,
afferent
I said.
arterial, efferent arterial.
yeah.
Don't do that.
Afferent, efferent.
And then the proximal and distal convoluted tubule is on this? No, right?
Proximal and distal convoluted tubule, not on this one.
Okay.
A is bigger than E.
On that one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. On the side. On
All right.
the, on the side.
Bowman's capsule.
The yellow part?
Yep, so the capsule houses the glomerulus.
It's on the side,
Okay.
Which one?
You want me to do this one?
Yeah, this one is better. Right on this one. Talking about ascending, descending limbs.
No, the proximal and distal convoluted tubules.
You can do this on this one.
So this is proximal, ascending, or descending, ascending,
Mhm.
distal?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Distal is here.
Okay.
Hang on. See, this is smaller version, this is larger version, so you can see better on this one.
Okay.
No,
So just ask them question on this one.
Okay, but what about the vasorecta and the peritubular capillaries? They're only
Yeah,
along
on this one.
Okay. So the proximal convoluted tubule is here, and then it's descending loop of Henle, ascending loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule.
What is that?
What is what?
The last one, what you just
distal convoluted
said.
tubule.
Okay, sorry.
And then, but the collecting duct is not on this one, it's gotta be on this one.
That's fine.
Okay, so collecting duct is here. Or it could be here.
Okay,
Thicker way.
never mind.
You can tell because it's thicker, correct?
Well, and it's what all of the, it's what
Everything
they're all
from-
collecting into.
Right.
So
You
the
know,
way
and then
you
they're gonna
just,
go down into the
the
papilla.
right.
This is what's in here.
so the only thing you're gonna tag on this one will be the collecting ducts. Since
Collecting
the other
duct,
two
collecting
is not-
duct.
They on there, but you didn't show it to us on
Or
that.
paratubular capillaries.
Okay.
Let me see.
The yellow.
The paratubular capillaries,
All the
So you'll just
winding.
the
Put it all.
right, and then the vasorecta is the arteries and veins that go around the loop of Henle.
Yeah, peritubular capillaries or vasorecta, it's the same thing. Or,
But
What
to me, the
ca-
paratubular capillaries are the ones that are up here, and the vasorecta is the one that goes around the loop of Henle. Right or no?
as far as I know.
I think that's how I learned
Vasorecta and
it.
peritubular capillary is the same thing, just,
What color is the paratubular cap?
Red and blue.
They're both red and
Together
blue,
they-
but the-
Peritubular means
The
around,
vasorecta.
The
surround
vest is just at the
tubule,
bottom,
so
like in
it's
the
the
loop.
same.
You hear me? They
Yep.
make purple.
Okay.
And then the juxtamedullary nephron is, yeah.
Nephron?
Or
Which one? What do you have?
This one.
Which one?
Juxtamedullary.
Nephron? Just cross it over. I don't
You don't want to do that?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, different nephrons depends on the location. In the cortex or medulla, that's not a big deal. It's a still nephron, so don't worry about
All
it.
right, that's it.
Can you show?
That's everything?
Yeah, the what about the cortical?
No.
How about this one?
Or yeah, you're gonna
The-
use this one or this one?
The green
Oh,
one.
Say crossover.
Is that the new one? we
Yeah,
have?
well, I
Let me
mean,
see.
yeah, because the collecting duct is here.
Yeah.
What do you say crossover?
You can actually mark collecting duct right here.
That looks better.
Yeah,
Why you
it looks
got them
better.
two on?
And this is a pyramid. See, the collecting duct goes towards the papilla. It's a papilla. So I would say, use this for collecting.
But for the
collecting duct.
distal and proximal, and all
Well,
that, use
distal,
this one.
proximal, this
Why
one.
you
yeah.
so?
Okay, so the only thing that'll be tagged on this is the
Collecting
collecting duct.
Where's that? Oh, the big white line.
Bottom line, guys, doesn't matter what model you're looking
It's
at,
the
you
same.
gotta know this, all right? It's not like mechanical. Okay, is that the
And then
color? Don't look at color. Don't look at. You must know this truly. Doesn't matter what model you're looking at.
You done, Letitia?
Can you?
Hang
Yeah,
on.
the
baby
Are you
though.
taking,
Yeah.
those? Don't.
No, I put one away that I wasn't using.
Oh, okay,
So I
that's
wanna
fine.
take
So that's it? We're done?
Yeah, that's it.